Hello world, it's Biti, your Bitcoin trading info man, and today I will show you a special video, a special thing. What's going on with the MFI? What the hell is the money flow index? Is it showing us the way to the hell? We'll check this in this update, so guys, stay tuned, let's go. So guys, let's start with this. What is the money flow index? A new indicator. I will show you this one because it's really interesting. It's not the RSI, relative strength index. I will show you what's so special with this indicator, guys. And maybe it's showing us the way to hell. I will show you soon, guys. The money flow index, the MFI, is a technical indicator which uses, and now that's the interesting stuff, guys, an asset's volume and price. Not only the price like the RSI, relative strength index, it's also using the volume to identify oversold and overbought signals. The oscillator is also applied to find out divergences. Okay, we know this, guys. The money flow index calculation. If you don't know how to calculate it, here is a really nice stuff. You can use this one, but I will show you. This is a nice indicator on Tradingfees. I'll show you soon, guys. The typical price calculation, the positive and negative money flows, the money ratio calculation, and the money flow index calculation. So these are the four things. These are used for the money flow index calculation. And here we can read this one, guys, and that's really important. The MFI money flow index oscillator moves in a range of 0 to 100. When the MFI rises above 80, really important, the asset is considered entering into overbought territory. When it's going down below 20, it's oversold. So what does it mean, guys? The oversold and overbought levels are used to signal emerging trading opportunities. The indicators move below 10 and above 90 happen rather seldom. Traders usually watch for the money flow index to return to above 10 to start a long trade and to fall below 90 to initiate a short trade. So sorry for my bad English, but I will show you this one here now. Guys, this is the monthly time frame. Every candle is 1 month. What can we see here? We see here a nice Bitcoin price beginning of 2011, and now we are here 2022. First of all, let me show you. We saw here on this point a really nice price phase, a really nice top. Let me call it top. It was here on the year 2013. If we are using the next phase here, the next top, it was here. It was 2018. I was in here. I traded this one here, and we fall down after this to 3000. Damn, guys. So the next point, we are now here in this big thing, in this big top. It's a question in this big top. Let me show you what I'm meaning about this one. Guys, we are watching now the MFI. This is the money flow index indicator here on the downside. It's looking a little bit like the RSI, but it is not, because we are using also volume. So what can we see? On the months, really interesting. We saw here a spike to the upside. After this, we went down. Guys, this spike was about 98 points. After this, we went down to 26 points. What else do we see here? The next one, sorry, not working. The next one was here on this point, the next top. And after this, we went down to the downside. So the next top was here, 98 points. And what happened? We went down really hard to 16 points. So the big thing is now we saw this point, 93 points. It's not 98, okay? But the big question is now, will we go down from here? Yes, of course, maybe. Will we go down like this one here to the downside? That would mean, guys, we also go down here, maybe something like this one. The big question, how deep can we go, is also a really interesting stuff, guys. Let me show you. Here, 2013, we went down from the highest point to the lowest point about 80-90%. Okay, something about this one, 88%. Let me call it 88%. The next point, what we saw, was 2018. What happened? We went down here to this point. It was 84%. So the big question is now, if we are going down now 80%, 90%, what will happen? What would be the next target? It's easy, guys. It's really easy. Let me show you. 86% maybe. We will go down to 10,000. It's not impossible. A lot of guys are telling me, no, Biti, it's not possible. We will never go down to 10,000 or 8,000, something like this. Guys, Why not? Why not? We saw it here 2018. We saw it here 2013. Be prepared, guys. I would like that you are all be prepared, that you are all watching this, and I hope, guys, I can help you with this. Be prepared. It's not impossible. It's not impossible to go down back again to 10,000, 8,000. And guys, let me show you. The last low was here on 3,400, something about this. It is the last low on the big time frame. As long as we are over the last low, that we are making a higher low, we are in a bull trend. What does it mean? If we are making 4,000, we are still in a bull trend. Guys, don't forget this one, what I am showing you here. The next thing what I would like to show you is, because it's so important, guys, a line from here to here. This is our ultra long support. It started here in August 2015, and it is the green line to the upside. What else can we see? A nice line here. From this point, it was 2017 to the upside. What can we see? A nice rising wedge. So the next big thing, in my opinion, if you're zooming in a little bit here, it is today a video about the bigger time frame, guys, monthly time frame. It's not impossible to go up here like this one. It's not impossible to see something like this. 100,000, guys. It's not impossible, because let me show you, it's not impossible to go here up again once more to 89, 98 points or something like that, this, and then down to the downside. I'm not telling you we are going straight to the downside from here, because we saw here also for the upside a high, a low, a high, a low, a high, and after this a low. Possible to see a high, a low, a high, a low, and now a next high. A lot of guys are waiting for this wave number 5 to the upside here, and after this, bam, we went back down again to, and that's the question, to maybe if we are going down like this, we can reach a price about 58,000. If we're going down like this hard, if we're going down hard, we can reach 28,000. Everything is possible. We are in a rising wedge, guys, and we need to watch this on a bigger time frame. So in my opinion, that's really, really important to know. Yes, we are. It's not impossible to go down again to under 4,000. It's not impossible to go down to 20,000, 30,000. Guys, everything is possible. Remember, it is Bitcoin. I know we have some new stuff here. We have new institutions they joined in, Tesla like this one. Okay, I know it, guys. Apple and so on. I know it, guys. But remember, we have war. We have the Ukraine war. We had COVID. We have so much bad things in the world. A lot of bans for Bitcoin. China ban. Every year we hear a China ban for Bitcoin. Everything is possible. Guys, you need to be prepared. And that's really important, guys, because I have to tell you, set stop losses. I know it. They are hunting the stop losses. I know it. I have also big problems with stop losses, but they are helping us. If you do not set a stop loss, guys, you may fall down here, back and back and back again, down here. What's going on? Down and down and down. Maybe not like this, but maybe here, 4,000. Not impossible. Why not, guys? So I hope you know now everything about the money flow index. I think it's a really, really interesting stuff, because we saw it in history. We saw 98 points. After this, bam, we went down 26. We saw 98 again, bam, we went down to 16. And now 93, maybe we went down again. Not impossible. Guys, that's it from Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Tomorrow I will make the next update for about the price, for about the day, okay? But this day it was a special thing, and it was really important for me to tell you this one. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings. And yes, of course, it's not a financial advice. Bye, guys.
System activated.